dinosaur train.
This is.
This is a dinosaur train. Dinosaur train.
Now, can you introduce your dinosaur train?
Engine. I'm building.
What happened in the engine?
I'm building.
Who's inside the engine?
Engineer.
An engineer. All right. Then what's that?
It's a passenger coach.
Mm-hmm.
And another passenger coach. All the passengers look outside of the windows.
I see. So where are the windows?
Over here.
Okay. And what is this? What is this thing?
It's an observation car.
What is an observation card?
It's a car that doesn't have any windows.
Mm-hmm. Why don't they have windows?
Because they have small tiny grills.
Mm-hmm. What is it for? Who is here?
Laura the Giganotosaurus.
Oh, why does she need the observation card and not the passenger coach?
Because she's too large to fit in the passenger coach.
Alright, so what is this?
Observation car.
This one.
That's aqua car.
An aqua car? What is in the aqua car?
Sea creatures.
Sea creatures. Is it dry?
The water's not dry.
You mean there's water in the aqua car?
Yeah, it's not dry inside.
Alright, so is this all?
It is all.
Mm-hmm. So, welcome everyone.
Welcome everyone.
Bye.
Bye.